welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Tanisha's Latrice. If you seen that thumbnail, you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent your girl over this cutie right here, and baby, she is giving what she needs to get. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing just how super easy and quick it was to throw this unit on, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So we about to get into this wig review. Y'all already see this gorgeousness right here. Like, look at this. Ain't she cute? Already out the box. And y'all look at this parting space. Like, honey, the parting space on this is absolutely amazing. It looks so realistic. So baby, we about to get into it. You know this is not gonna take long to do. This is really a don't have time, running late type of unit, you know, just throw this on and go type of unit. So let's do it.
Dreams and big drip, talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is.
Honey, it's fitting snug. It is fitting snug, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. Okay, so let's brush it out.
Standing next to me, you gotta be your own for babe.
Alright, so this is her right out of the box, and I just threw her on. Now she's looking cute, and look at that body, honey. She moving. So let's get into this hair. Like, y'all, do you see this parting space? Like, honey, this parting space looks absolutely amazing. It looks so realistic. It looks so realistic. I'm absolutely loving this parting space. It's so realistic, and I'm loving this unit. It's an effortless style, so you don't have to worry about your hair. Just throw this on and go. So this silky Yaki straight is giving. It is absolutely giving right out of the box. So let's go ahead and bump it so we can see how she looks. So this is how she looks as a blunt cut. So if you want to wear her as a blunt cut, you do have the option to do that, but let's see how she look with a little bump. All right, let's do it.
Yeah, alpha baby, yeah, alpha baby.
Alright, y'all, so here she is. I done bumped her. She looking absolutely amazing. It's so full but extremely lightweight at the same time. Like, honey, she is a must-have. Okay, she is the type of wig that if you don't have all the time but still want to look cute, this is her right here. So let me show you the back.
But it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you'll see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is.
This breathable bang is so amazing. It's just the right bangage. It's just the right bangage, so it's not too much, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's the right amount to give you that effortless look. Like, honey, she looks cute. Absolutely very, very cute. And the shape, baby, she's a shakeable wig for sure. And if you was questioning if this was a wig, baby, let me show you. Wig, baby, wig. Put her on and go. All right, so before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over some wig caps, a Love Me Hair rat tail comb, a Love Me Hair clip, also a Love Me Hair scarf wrap, and a Love Me Hair drawstring mesh pad to help store your unit in. So let's get into the details of this unit. This is a put on and go realistic glueless Yaki straight bob with the bangs that has the minimalistic lace wig, and baby, she is an amazing cutie. This unit will be your go-to bob because it is effortless and stylish at the same time. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is 100% virgin human hair. This unit should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. The density on this unit is 150%, so you are getting some thick hair, but it's lightweight at the same time. The hair color is a natural black, but you do have the option to get this in a blonde highlight and a purplish red color, which is like a 99 jack. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put some highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do that as well. You also can dye the brown highlight color and the reddish purplish color as well. It's not recommended, but you do have the option to dye those units as well. This unit also comes with an adjustable straps and an adjustable band to help give you the glueless effect. It also comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. The cap size on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap, and the lace area is this minimalistic lace that's right in the parting space that looks absolutely amazing. Looks very natural. This is regular lace and it is giving nothing but scalp, baby, nothing but scalp, and it is 100% glueless, so you can put this on with ease for an everyday type of look. It's very effortless and it's amazing, and it's great for beginners or pros. It doesn't matter who you are, this is a good unit to have in your wig rotation. This unit can be worn for any occasion. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, you can go on date night, church, work, or just chill around the house. This is an everyday all-around type of unit that can stand the test of time. She's a classic bob. You can't go wrong with a classic bob, and that body, honey, go get you one. I am also wearing this in the length 10 inches, but you do have the option to get it in 14 and 16 inches as well. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video, and if you are interested in this cutie right here, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you, you know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.